Okay, so let's take a look at activity 3 from lesson 4. Now in this activity, we're actually going to look at ellipses. And we add 2 new parameters to this as well. So if you notice down in the rectangle options down here, we have width and height. And now for ellipse, we're going to have width and height as well. So we've added 2 new parameters to this, 2 new pieces of information that can help our program write and create these shapes. Now we have the green right here. So if we look at this and we run it, looks like the green is the way we need it to be. Oh, not sure what happened there. So here's the green. And however, if you notice, we're going to have a new shape. Now we could just start drawing it right here, and it looks like it's going to be yellow. But as we've talked about in previous lessons, sequencing, if we were to draw the green first and then do the yellow and make the yellow this size, it's going to actually go over top of that, and the green's going to disappear. The yellow is going to be over top of it. So because of sequencing, we're going to actually put yellow ahead of that. And then we're going to go ahead and put an ellipse here underneath it. And so we have the location correct. Looks like that's what we need to do, is right in the middle of the screen, just 200, 200, so it's the same as what that is. But now we need to affect the size and change it a little bit. Because 400, 400 would actually make this the entire screen. If I were to run this, it's pretty much the entire screen. And actually, it's orange and not yellow, so let's go ahead and change that. So we're going to go ahead and type that in. Okay, and let's go ahead and run that here for a second. Yep, that's a little better. So we do need to change these 2 right here. This is a little bit too big. So let's try, and we need it kind of a unique shape too, where we want it to be a little bit less wide than it is high. So let's try like 300 and 350. And let's go ahead and run that. That's pretty close. And so I feel like the height is probably correct. Let's go ahead and change the width and make that a little bit more narrow here. There we go. That looks correct to me. So that's the width is 250 and the height is 350. You don't have to do anything with the green. You just have to change the orange. And that should be it for you for activity 3. Hopefully this helps you. Again, we're talking about parameters, and these 2 new parameters for ellipse. We'll be using those quite a bit. But I hope this helps you with your coding journey.